Hey, good morning. What are some of your favorite things to do on a cool morning? I like to sit next to a fireplace, and I like to get a cup of hot tea and wrap up in my cozy little wraps and get warm. While you're thinking about it, just give thanks to Yahusha that we are able to get warm because he takes care of us all the time. And we need to give thanks for that because a simple place like a place to live is all in his hands. Hallelujah. Be the bride, keep the commandments, praise the name of Yahusha at all times.